Hey guys, it's Brian Ernst with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. You deal directly with the owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2012 Forest River Rockwood Signature Ultra Lite 8281 SS fifth wheel. This is a double slide fifth wheel. It's an ultralight because the sidewall construction is all aluminum framed. This is a higher end fifth wheel. It's definitely not entry level. For one, you do have the front molded fiberglass cap. It is the high gloss fiberglass finish, and it is a fully enclosed heated underbelly. You do have front power jacks. This does have the Reese Revolution pin box. It's for short bed trucks. It actually pivots. It moves with the truck when you go to turn. I do believe that Forest River, I think they're the only ones that actually do that. It's about an 18-foot power awning. Slam latch doors. There's your aluminum framing. And this cargo area is heated. There's your forced heat into the cargo area. Definitely most fifth wheel manufacturers in this price range is definitely not going to offer heated cargo area. Slam latch doors. Outside speakers. Aluminum alloy wheels. 6-gallon gas electric water heater. This does have the outside grill hookup. It's your LP hookup here. Hook up your gas. And you do have a table that sits up. This does have the slide out awning package. Spare tire and carrier. I believe that was an option. I'm not quite sure. This does have the bike rack that I believe the owners put on. The only issue, it's really a non-issue, but pretty particular about the coaches. When I do a walk around, I do check for scratches, dinks, delamination. I check for all that. Didn't find any issues. I did find a little tiny scratch. If I didn't point it out, you wouldn't even notice it. And it's from where the bikes were hitched up on the back, and it just rubbed up against it. Again, to pretty much most people, it would be a non-issue. But I'd like to think I'm pretty thorough on my walk-arounds. Try to show any damage or scratches. So, other than that, there is a door inside that's got a little hole in it, and I'll show it to you. 1 through 10, 10 being the best as far as condition. I definitely would rate this a 10. I do check for delamination, which is the bubbling you get on the outside of the coach on the fiberglass. Normally is caused by water damage. I did not find any. Outside, hot and cold running water black tank sewer flush. Hook up your water hose to this, and it washes out your sewer tank, so you don't have to drag a hose inside and shove it down the toilet. All your connections are right here. Nice little light when you're hitching up at night, or if you just want to light up your campground when you first walk in. Show you the camper weight on this. A lot of times the little telltale stickers on the door, either on the side here, but it will be yellow. There's the weight. Dry empty weight, 8,166 pounds. Ultra leather couch. This is where it's a futon style jackknife sofa. Nice U-shaped dinette. I believe it breaks down into a big double bed. Cool thing that Forest River does is they frame out the booth dinette in all aluminum framing, which most manufacturers will actually use wood framing, cut down on cost, but Forest River builds a pretty good product. Another feature Forest River Rockwood does that most manufacturers don't in the fifth wheel lines, metal drawer glides. Most manufacturers will use plastic or none. Your solid wood drawer fronts, good quality solid wood doors, nice and thick. They don't wobble when you open them up. Nice Moen style faucet. You do have the extension for the kitchen counter. Largest oven in the industry as far as I know, still 22 inches. Never been used. 3-burner cooktop, never been used. Do believe that's a 6 cubic foot refrigerator. Gas and electric. I like these Norcolds because they're not preset to one temperature. You can actually adjust them. Adjust the temperature. Most manufacturers, you won't get that. Nice raised wood paneling on the refrigerator doors. Your manufacturers won't offer day-night shades. They'll just be night shades, but Forest River Rockwood does offer the day-night shades all throughout the coach. This is the bath and a half floor plan. Fantastic vent fan. Foot flush porcelain toilet. A lot of residential features. Again, your solid hardwood cabinetry door fronts. Another fantastic vent fan. Again, foot flush porcelain toilet. I do check for water damage, soft spots around the plumbing. You put my foot kind of around the toilet, kind of check for soft spots to see if there's any damage. I did not find any issues at all. There's the hole I was talking about, a little tiny hole, and it was caused by that. I'm about 5'11", and I am standing straight up, and I still have probably about 3 inches more. I do check around all the slide outs. Put my hand here, check for any wrinkling in the wallpaper. Normally is a sign of water damage, if there is. And I do check around the floor, the carpet area, for dark staining. I didn't find any issues. If you'd like to come and see the coach, just call the number on the ad. That same number will get me, and I'll answer any basic questions. This camper is located out in Taylorsville Lake area. Taylorsville, Kentucky area, sorry. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video.